Welcome to part 4 of Armory to a butterfly knife. Let's go, let's start with stickers. Let's get a red sticker first. No. Let's give it one more chance. No. Again blue. Okay, let's open it, let's open them. $120 stars today. We need to get something good. Statistically. Nice. Very nice start. Only 6 stars in. Already pink. Let's open one collection. Let's go. Back to stickers. Nice, another pink. This is such a good start. 14 stars in and already 2 pinks. Let's go to another collection. Come on. Nice, another pink, let's go. Collection time. Come on. Let's go, nice, another pink, that means another collection, pink. Nice, let's go. Collection time, come on. Okay, last sticker, then one last collection. Okay. Last 4 stars. Let's get something good. Come on. Nope. That's it from our 120 stars. Let's do the maths and end the video. So, we started with an inventory value of 72 euros and 9 cents. 3 armories means 42 euros minus, and from those 3 armories we pulled 43 euros and 2 cents, which brings us to a total balance of 73 euros and 11 cents. Not big profit, but not a loss. See you in the next part.